Local SEO for Businesses, a comprehensive guide. Introduction to Local SEO. In the digital age, the importance of local search engine optimization, SEO, cannot be overstated. Local SEO is a strategic process that focuses on emphasizing the optimization efforts of local brick-and-mortar businesses. The goal is to spread the word about your business out to the local people who are most likely to want what you're offering. Unlike standard SEO practices that focus on boosting a business's visibility on a national or global scale, local SEO is about becoming more visible to the people who are likely to turn into customers. It's about making sure that people who are searching for services in a specific location find your business before they find your competitors. Local SEO is a crucial part of any business's digital marketing strategy, especially for businesses that operate on a regional level. These businesses need to be highly visible in online searches to attract their local customer base. Importance of Google My Business in local SEO. Google My Business, GMB, is a free tool that is integral to a successful local SEO strategy. It allows businesses to manage their online presence across Google, including search and maps. By verifying and editing your business information, you can help customers find you and tell them the story of your business. When people search for a service near them, they are generally looking to make a purchase. So, these searches often result in a higher conversion rate. By optimizing your GMB profile, you can ensure your business appears in these local searches, increasing the chances of attracting these high-intent customers. A well-optimized GMB profile provides potential customers with valuable information about your business, including your address, operating hours, and customer reviews. It can also feature photos that showcase your products or services, further enticing potential customers. In addition, GMB profiles feature prominently in local search results, providing businesses with increased visibility. This is why businesses aiming to boost their local SEO should prioritize optimizing their GMB profile. The power of online reviews. In today's digital age, online reviews have become a crucial part of local SEO. They provide potential customers with a snapshot of what they can expect from your business, influencing their decision to choose your services over your competitors. When a potential customer searches for a local business, one of the first things they'll likely look at are the reviews. They want to know what other people think of your business and whether they've had positive experiences. In fact, a study by Bright Local found that 88% of consumers trust online reviews as much as personal recommendations. Moreover, Google takes into account the number and score of reviews in its local search ranking algorithm. This means that having a large number of positive reviews can improve your business's local search ranking, making you more visible to potential customers. Encouraging happy customers to leave positive reviews on your Google My Business profile can significantly improve your local SEO. You can do this by simply asking customers to leave a review after a purchase or service, or by offering incentives, such as discounts or giveaways for leaving a review. Local SEO keywords. Local SEO keywords are search terms that include specific geographical locations. For example, a local SEO keyword could be digital marketing agency in HILLSPORO. These keywords can help your business appear in local search results. When users perform searches, they often include specific locations in their search queries, especially when looking for local services. By incorporating these location-specific keywords into your website's content, meta tags, and URLs, you can improve your visibility in these local searches. Keyword research is a crucial part of local SEO. It involves identifying the keywords that your target audience is using to find services like yours. Once you've identified these keywords, you can incorporate them into your website's content and meta tags to improve your visibility in local searches. Remember, it's not just about getting more visitors to your site, but about getting the right kind of visitors. The usefulness of this intelligence cannot be overstated. With keyword research, you can predict shifts in demand, respond to changing market conditions, and produce the products, services, and content that web searchers are actively seeking. On-page SEO for local businesses. On-page SEO plays a crucial role in improving the visibility of your business in local search results. By optimizing individual web pages, you can rank higher and attract more relevant traffic from search engines. Here are some key strategies for on-page SEO in the context of local businesses. Keyword optimization. Conduct thorough keyword research to identify local keywords that are relevant to your business. Incorporate these keywords naturally into your page titles, headings, meta descriptions, and throughout your content. Localized content. Create informative and engaging content that is specific to your local audience. This can include location-based guides, customer success stories from your area, and blog posts that address local topics or events. Optimized page titles and meta descriptions. Craft compelling and descriptive page titles and meta descriptions that incorporate your targeted keywords. This helps search engines understand the relevance of your content to local search queries. URL structure. Optimize your URLs to include relevant keywords and location information. For example, instead of using generic URLs like website.com service1, consider using website.com service1 Hillsborough to signal the locality. Mobile optimization. Ensure that your website is mobile-friendly and provides a seamless user experience on all devices. Mobile optimization is particularly important for local businesses, as many local searches are performed on smartphones. Internal linking. Utilize internal linking to connect relevant pages on your website. This not only helps search engines discover and index your content, but also improves user navigation and encourages visitors to explore more of your website. By implementing these on-page SEO strategies, you can improve the visibility and relevance of your web pages in local search results, attracting more potential customers in your target area. Building local citations. Local citations refer to online mentions of your business's name, address, and phone number (NAP) on various platforms, including directories, review sites, and social media. Building local citations is an essential aspect of local SEO, as it helps search engines verify the legitimacy and prominence of your business. To build local citations effectively, follow these best practices. Consistency. Ensure that your NAP information is consistent across all online platforms. Use the exact same format and spelling for your business name, address, and phone number. Quality directories. Submit your business to reputable local directories, such as Google My Business, Yelp, and Yellow Pages. These directories have high domain authority and can positively impact your local search rankings. Niche directories. Identify niche-specific directories that are relevant to your industry or location. For example, if you're a restaurant in Hillsborough, consider submitting your business to local restaurant directories. Customer reviews. Encourage customers to leave reviews on popular review sites. Positive reviews not only improve your online reputation, but also contribute to your local SEO efforts. Social media profiles. Create and optimize your business's profiles on major social media platforms. Include your NAP information and regularly engage with your audience to build a strong online presence. Building local citations takes time and effort, but it can significantly enhance your business's visibility and local search results. It establishes trust with search engines and potential customers, ultimately driving more organic traffic to your website. Quality editorial links. Building quality editorial links is a fundamental aspect of local SEO that can have a significant impact on your website's visibility and authority. Editorial links are natural links that are earned based on the quality and relevance of your content. Here are some strategies to acquire high-quality editorial links. Create compelling content. Develop high-quality content that provides value to your target audience. This can include informative articles, in-depth guides, case studies, and original research. When your content is compelling and useful, other websites and publications are more likely to link to it. Guest blogging. Seek opportunities to contribute guest posts to authoritative websites in your industry. Guest blogging allows you to showcase your expertise and earn backlinks to your website. Ensure that your guest posts provide valuable insights and are relevant to the audience of the target website. Outreach and relationship building. Reach out to influencers, bloggers, and website owners in your niche to establish relationships. Engage with them, share their content, and offer to collaborate on content projects. When you build strong relationships, these individuals are more likely to link to your content. Content promotion. Actively promote your content through social media, email newsletters, and other marketing channels. The more exposure your content receives, the higher the chances of attracting backlinks from other websites. Monitor and respond to mentions. Regularly monitor the web for mentions of your business or brand. When you come across mentions without a corresponding link, reach out to the website owner and kindly request a link to your website. Be polite and emphasize the value that the link would bring to their content. Remember, the key to building quality editorial links is to focus on creating exceptional content that naturally attracts links from authoritative websites in your industry. By implementing these strategies, you can strengthen your website's authority and improve its visibility and local search results. The role of social media and local SEO. Social media platforms play a crucial role in local SEO by enhancing your online presence, driving engagement, and increasing brand awareness. Here's how social media can contribute to your local SEO efforts. Increased local visibility. By actively participating in social media and optimizing your profiles, you can increase your local visibility. Optimize your social media profiles by including relevant keywords, a consistent name, address, phone number, and a link to your website. This helps search engines understand the local relevance of your business. Engagement and community building. Social media provides an opportunity to engage with your local community and build relationships with your target audience. By consistently sharing valuable content, responding to comments and messages, and participating in conversations, you can foster a sense of community around your brand. Local reviews and recommendations. Social media platforms often feature review functionalities, such as Facebook recommendations and Google reviews. Encourage your customers to leave reviews and recommendations on your social media profiles. Positive reviews and recommendations can boost your reputation and attract more customers. Local events and promotions. Social media is an effective platform for promoting local events, sales, and promotions. Utilize social media to announce special offers, showcase upcoming events, and share exclusive deals for your local audience. This can drive foot traffic to your physical location and increase brand visibility. Local influencer partnerships. Collaborating with local influencers or micro-influencers can amplify your local SEO efforts. Identify influencers who have a strong local following and align with your brand values. Partner with them to promote your products or services to their audience, increasing your local reach and driving engagement. By leveraging social media effectively, you can enhance your local SEO efforts and connect with your local audience on a deeper level. Consistency, engagement, and valuable content are key to building a strong social media presence that supports your local SEO strategies. Ongoing activities for local SEO. Local SEO is an ongoing process that requires continuous effort and monitoring. Here are some key activities that businesses should engage in to maintain and improve their local SEO. Monitoring online reputation. Regularly monitor online reviews and mentions of your business to ensure a positive online reputation. Respond promptly and professionally to both positive and negative reviews, addressing any concerns and showcasing your commitment to customer satisfaction. Updating Google My Business profile. Keep your Google My Business profile up to date with accurate information, including business hours, contact details, and any changes to your offerings. Regularly add new photos and posts to showcase your products, services, and promotions. Local content creation. Continue creating localized content to cater to your local audience. This can include blog posts, videos, and social media content that address local topics, events, and news. By consistently providing valuable and relevant content, you can attract and engage local customers. Tracking local SEO metrics. Monitor key local SEO metrics, such as local search rankings, website traffic from local sources, and the number of online reviews. Analyze this data to identify areas for improvement and adjust your local SEO strategies accordingly. Building relationships with local influencers. Establish relationships with local influencers, bloggers, and organizations that have a strong online presence in your community. Collaborate on content, partnerships, or events to expand your reach and tap into their audience. Optimizing for voice search. With the rise of voice assistants, optimizing your content for voice search can improve your visibility in local search results. Consider the conversational nature of voice queries and incorporate natural language and long-tail keywords into your content. Local link building. Continue building high-quality local links to strengthen your website's authority. Look for opportunities to earn backlinks from local organizations, businesses, and industry directories. Engage in local sponsorships, partnerships, or community events that can generate local backlinks. Staying updated with local SEO trends and best practices is crucial for maintaining a competitive edge. Keep up with the latest industry news, follow reputable blogs, attend webinars, and engage in forums to stay informed and adapt your strategies as needed. By consistently implementing these ongoing activities, businesses can maintain a strong local SEO presence and continue to attract local customers to their products and services. Conclusion: local SEO is a powerful strategy that allows businesses to connect with their local audience and attract customers in their target area. By implementing the strategies outlined in this guide, businesses can optimize their online presence, improve their visibility in local search results, and ultimately drive more traffic and revenue. From optimizing your Google My Business profile and leveraging online reviews to targeting local keywords and building quality links, every aspect of local SEO contributes to enhancing your business's online visibility and attracting local customers. Stay committed to providing valuable content, engaging with your local community, and monitoring your online reputation to ensure long-term success in local SEO. Remember, local SEO is an ongoing process that requires continuous effort and adaptation. Keep up with the latest trends, track your metrics, and make data-driven decisions to refine your strategies and stay ahead of the competition. As you continue to invest in local SEO, consider partnering with experts who can provide comprehensive local SEO services tailored to your business's unique needs. Get in touch with Nesace Media, https://www.nesacemedia.com to learn how our team can help you elevate your local SEO and drive meaningful results for your business.